So ang pulis lang, kung pulis nga yung nagsagawa ng raid dyan, ay sila lang yung magre-raid at tutulong. Pero yung mag-check ng kung meron ng radioactive materials dyan, hindi alam ng PNP yun, Attorney Julia. Anong government agency ang nakipag-usap dyan at nag-check dyan? At sila ba'y mga naka-PPE o naka-suit, naka-mask para hindi sila maapektuhan ng radiation?
Magandang tanong po yan. Actually, we received reports that there were several government agencies, including PAOK, yung anti-organized crime po, including
PAOK.
NBI as well, and the Philippine Army. Yes po, yun daw po yung mga agency.
NBI, Philippine Army, PAOK, tsaka PNP.
Philippine Army po.
Opo, So lahat
They
sila,
are the ones
ang dami
that
pala.
implemented the raid.
Pero dun sa
Yes, we received
sa pagkakaroon ng
na 400.
sa pagkakaroon ng radiation, ibang dapat merong ibang government agency na nagche-check noon kung meron nga.
We agree. We think that there should have been some technical experts on the ground apart from the armed forces in order to check kung meron po ba talagang unsafe levels. And whether or not they followed yung mga safety protocols po, hindi rin po namin masasabi. Siguro naman po yung the government, those respective government agencies would be able to answer that better if they provided the necessary materials for their team.
Oo. So walang nakakapasok kahit na officers, officials or owners ng Sandja, hindi nakakapasok ngayon.
Until now po, walang nakakapasok po sa facility. In fact, we received reports from the employees this morning na tinrapal na daw yung mga bintana ng facility para po hindi makita ng workers kung ano yung nangyayari po sa loob. So, in the last few days po, kasi madami pong nagpo-protest ng mga workers sa labas po ng facility kasi gusto nga po nila makabalik sa trabaho. And they've been reporting to the company their observations. Pero as of today po, naka-barricade na po siya. Hindi na po makita sa loob ng facility kung ano po nangyayari.